Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, features, and usability to help you make an informed decision. We'll cover aspects such as capacity, portability, and price, so stay tuned. When it comes to capacity, the Auertech Portable Washing Machine offers a significant advantage with its 18 pounds washing capacity and 10 pounds spinning capacity. This makes it ideal for larger loads, such as bedding and towels. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is designed for smaller items, with a capacity of just 13 liters, making it more suitable for delicate clothing like underwear and baby clothes. If you frequently wash larger items, the Auertech may be the better choice. Portability is another crucial factor to consider. The Auertech is bulkier and weighs 31 pounds, making it less portable and more suited for stationary use in dorms or apartments. On the other hand, the Mini is incredibly lightweight at just 3.3 pounds and features a foldable design, making it perfect for travel, camping, or small living spaces. If you need a washing machine that you can easily move around, the Mini is the clear winner. Finally, let's talk about price. The Auertech Portable Washing Machine comes with a higher price tag of $269, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features like a drain pump. In contrast, the Mini is priced at just $59, making it an affordable option for those on a budget. While the Auertech offers more functionality, the Mini provides excellent value for those who need a simple, effective solution for smaller loads. In conclusion, both the Auertech and Mini portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Auertech is ideal for those needing higher capacity and more features, while the Mini is perfect for those prioritizing portability and affordability. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.